In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contemporary mixed media art using Nano. We're keeping this simple and clear. You'll start on a web browser, head to Google, and use it to reach the official Google Gemini site. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and look for the official result from Google. Avoid ads or third-party pages so you land on the correct app where the image features live. Once you're on the Gemini app, find and click the Create Image button. That's the switch that brings the Nano workflow to life inside Gemini's image tools. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your regular account. After that, you'll be in the creative workspace where you can set up your reference and your instructions. Next, click the plus sign to upload your reference image. Choose a clear, well-lit photo with enough detail for the facial features and body structure you want to translate into art. Make sure you have permission to use any person's image, and avoid uploading photos of minors or public figures without rights. Higher resolution images generally give better results, especially when you want precise structure. Now, craft your prompt. Reference the uploaded photo directly and explain that you want the subject's face and body structure to inform the artwork, while being transformed into a contemporary mixed media piece. Be explicit about the materials you want represented. Think paper collage, acrylic strokes, metallic foil, ink splatters, or textured fabric, so the system understands the medium and surface qualities. You can say, for example, using the attached photo as a reference, retain the subject's facial proportions and overall body structure, and reinterpret every facial element, eyes, nose, lips, beard, and skin, through layered mixed media materials. If you're working with a real person, get consent and avoid asking for extremely exact replication when you don't have the rights. Keep it respectful and creative. To help the model, you can also mention a mood, color palette, or lighting direction, like warm studio light, high contrast, or muted earth tones. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Give it a moment to process. You'll see the result appear as a synthesized mixed media interpretation guided by your reference. Study how the materials are expressed, edges, layering, and texture depth, so you can understand how the system translated your description. That's it for the workflow. You've just used Google, opened Gemini, activated Nano through Create Image, uploaded your reference, wrote a precise mixed media prompt, and submitted it for generation. Enjoy exploring contemporary mixed media and always create responsibly.